Hi, today we will be discussing how to fix and align a Wi-Fi smart camera. But before we dive into, we need some basic knowledge on computer and networking. These cameras can be purchased through TikTok, Lazada, or Shopee, and they did not come with a program. So, download and install the V380 computer software and V380 Pro for your phone via Play Store and register an account to use it. These Wi-Fi camera can connect to your Wi-Fi network or direct to your Android phone. Just make sure that both your devices are in range. What I did inside of it is fix the wire harness to that when it rotates, it won't get caught on the rotating base. Tighten the base screw because it is the reason this camera is not functioning well. When all is returned to its place, we need to test the camera. Assemble the cable and plug it into appropriate power source. Wait for the camera to initialize itself.
Connecting. Network connected.
On your PC, open up the V380 application. Since no camera is detected, we can add manually by entering the camera details at the back of camera head, like the camera ID, user, and pass. When all is correct, it should be added on the application. Now, right-click the camera ID and choose Play. Wait for it to display. Some settings are not available on your V380 PC application, so on your Android app, open it up. Click on or near on Play Display icon. Then click More. Then click PTZ calibration icon. It will again rotate and finds its proper center alignment. Done. Thank you.